Hello viewers, welcome to episode number 10, still on the tutorial on dynamics and mechanics. So we are to calculate the magnitude of force required to move a particle of mass 3 kg from rest through a distance of 4 meters in what? 1 second. So as usual, we outline the preamble, the informations we have from the question as a data. So we are looking for magnitude of force. So first thing first, we are looking for the force required to move a particle of mass. The mass of the body is 3 kg from rest. When the body is moving from rest, its initial velocity is 0 meter per what? Seconds through a distance of 4. So distance is 4 meters in time of what? 1 second. So these are the information provided. Now, in finding force, the force of the body is just the mass of the body times what? Its acceleration. So mass of the body is known, acceleration is missing. So it means that before I can find the force, I need to know what the acceleration is. So now will let me fall onto the remaining information, whether I can use the remaining information to find the acceleration of the body. We have to also look at the 3 equations of motion. The first equation has acceleration in there we can find. It also has final velocity, which we don't have in the information we have. The third one also have acceleration, but then there is a final velocity. The only one is going to be the second equation. We can say that from the second equation of motion, which is going to be distance equals to ut plus half at squared. These informations are provided with exception of what? With the a, which we are looking for. So we can only do substitution by picking the distance of 4 equals to initial velocity of 0 multiply the time of 1 second, half of the acceleration times the time, which is now going to be 1 square times a. And in doing so, as you have, can I just multiply through exactly by what? 2, making here 8. 2 times 0, 0. Then 2 times here will give you only what? A. But this is going to be 1 square, 1, times half, times 2. That becomes 1 times a. So therefore, the acceleration is 8 meter per second what? Square. Now that I know acceleration, I can also say that from F equals to ma. F as the force I am looking for, m as the mass of the body, and a as the acceleration. That gives me the mass of 3 times 8. And that will give you 24 what? Newton. So the force, the magnitude of the force which is required to move a particle of this mass, which is from rest through a distance of 4 meters in 1 second, is going to be 24 newtons. I believe this also make the equations of motion a lot clearer for you. Don't forget, we are still going to stay a little bit on the second course, which is the equations of motion, before we move on to the third course outline.